If you're a beginner YouTuber feeling stuck under 100 subscribers, this video is for you. I am still growing too, but these are some of the mistakes that I made that slowed me down, and they might also be stopping you too. So stay glued and watch it. The first mistake is going to be that you have no clear niche. Whenever you post random videos, YouTube gets confused on the particular set of videos you would love to keep posting. So you have to pick a niche, and a niche could be maybe soft making, maybe beginners, YouTubers, growth, any niche that you want to just focus on it. Even if it's going to be temporary, just pick a niche that you consistently be posting about. The third mistake is going to be that you have a weak hook. When I mean hook, the first 3 seconds of your video matter more than the entire video itself. If you are using a bad hook, for instance, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a bad hook. But the moment she said, if you have 0 views, click here and let me tell you why. That is a good hook. The fourth mistake is going to be that there is no value. You're not adding any value to your videos. You're just posting random videos. Every video of yours should solve a problem or should answer a question. Please ask yourself, what would someone learn in these few minutes of my video? The fifth one and the last one is going to be that you're not asking people to subscribe. Sometimes people forget that they're supposed to subscribe, but at the end of your video or even at the beginning or the middle part, just remind them that they need to subscribe to get more valuable content like yours. Recommending my real beginner growth here. If you are a YouTuber under 100 subscribers and you're about to quit, follow me now and let's grow together. And if you enjoyed this video and you want more, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, because I'll be here and we would walk through the journey together.